Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos. Today I am going to switch it up and give you a tour of my new home. We just moved in and I really enjoy watching empty house tours, so here we go. The first room that you see when you walk into the home is the foyer, and I am so in love with this entryway. It is 2 stories, and to the left you have a double door office which my husband will be using to work from home. I have double doors at the front, and then the hall that leads all the way through to the living room area. And to the right is the dining room. I will certainly be getting rid of those vertical blinds that you see there. And this is just a small peek at the office at the front. And as you go down the hall, there is a powder room right here on the right. It has a pedestal sink and just a toilet in there. Please forgive this footage, you guys. I recorded this with my phone, so I wasn't able to get any wide angles, so you really can't capture how great the house is from the phone video. But this is the living room. The 2-story windows is what I was really looking for, and this door leads to the master bedroom. And it has the bow windows, and the windows are from floor to ceiling almost. I'm really excited about those. And through this door is the master bathroom ensuite. So I have his and hers vanity sinks. So we are each on separate sides, and there's a his and hers closet. There is the soaker tub. And then we have the walk-in shower with the bench inside of it. And through this door is the water closet, which is the fancy term for just a closet with the toilet inside of it. And this is his closet on the left. It's only slightly smaller than the other one. It has shoe storage and tons of hanging space. And then this one is mine. I'm excited about all of the hanging space, and the shoe storage is not enough for me, so I'll be using that for accessories like my sunglasses and necklaces, hats, and maybe a few bags is what I'll store. And then here is a wall-mounted jewelry case. I'm really excited about this because of the mirror, but I can hang my long, dainty, thin necklaces and earrings and everything in that one. Oh, that is a medicine cabinet right there. And then right out, there's another view of the foyer. I am really excited about those curved staircases, you guys. And this is the breakfast area and the kitchen. I I have tons of storage in this kitchen. So excited about it. There's the microwave oven, and then the hood range set. The most excited about this refrigerator, you guys. I have wanted this for so long. Now I can play my music in the kitchen while I'm cooking or while I'm just sitting in the living room area. My husband and I can enjoy a glass of wine on the sofa and sit and talk. And this here is the butler's pantry. That's the garage door. That is the regular pantry. And it is a walk-in, so I'm excited about that as well because I can store so much. So much can be stored in this pantry. And then right over here, oh, there's another view of the butler's pantry area. I can keep a coffee station there. And this is the laundry room. The laundry room is huge, so I plan to have a couple things that I can store inside of here along with the washer dryer. So I'm excited about that. And then there is another bedroom on this floor. So I have a guest suite. But before you get into the guest suite, there is a hall closet. This is where I'm going to store all of my games, board games, and things like that. And here is the guest room. It's a really nice size. I can fit a king size bed in this room, which I'm really excited about. And then there is a bathroom connected to this room. So we don't have to share bathroom space with our guests. There's the sink and the mirror, the toilet, and the tub and shower combo. And then the closet is inside of the bathroom in this room. Now that we're done with downstairs, we can head up to see the rest of the house. Oh, this right here is the bridge that separates one side of the house from the other. So we have bedrooms on one side, and then there's other stuff on the other side. Again, the curved staircase. This was on my must-have list, so I'm super excited about this. Once you get to the top of the stairs, you have living space on one side and bedrooms on the other side. So we're going to start with the bedrooms. The first room at the top of the stairs. This is, sorry, that was just a pan view of what you can see. This is going to be my boys' room. I have two little boys and they will share a bedroom. They are happy to share because they're really close in age and they like to talk to each other at night. And they use the other space in the other bedroom. That's for their toys and that's where they play and everything. So they are really happy about that. And attached to their bedroom is a sink and closet because it's a Jack and Jill situation, so that it's a shared bathroom is shared with the other bedroom. So here's the closet for that room. Nice walk-in closet with storage space underneath. And then there's the tub and toilet that is shared with the other side. So there's one sink for the boys' sleeping room, and then the other side is a sink and a door for the other bedroom. So this room will be their toy room / playroom. So this is where they'll have a sofa, a television, their video games and everything on the other side. So as you can see through that door, you can see how the bathroom is connected. And right outside of this door, right across the hall, is another bedroom. This is the 5th bedroom in the house, and this is the room that I will be using as my sewing room slash office slash closet. So the room is really big. There's enough space for everything. I can house my sewing machine, my cutting table, the wall. Here I'm going to store my shoes and everything. And if you stay tuned, I will go ahead and do some decorate with me and show you all of the rooms in the house as I am done decorating. And this is the bathroom for that bedroom. So there are a total of 5 bathrooms in this house. And this here is a homework station. I won't be using it as a homework station because the boys will already have a desk and their desk and computers in the toy room. And this right here, this closet, is where I am going to store my seasonal items, my Christmas trees, and all of the decorations that go along with that. So that concludes that side of the house. And this is just the view of the living room from upstairs. And when you get over to the other side, this is the game room. This game room is what I will probably use as my TV room. So it'll be my girl cave, if you will. I'll add a TV and a sofa and probably a few of the boys' extra big toys, the ones that are too big to go inside of the room. And my husband will have his own TV room because here through this door is the theater room. So this will be his man cave, and we will add theater seating across this wall, and then this area right here is where the projector screen is supposed to go. So we're still debating about it because I'm thinking about putting it the long way and putting the projector screen on the window wall and doing the theater seats as double rows across, but we'll see. Haven't figured it out yet, but stay tuned. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with more sewing videos and probably more lifestyle videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.